Hey there! As an owner-operator and a truck driver, I have a story to share with you, my trucking friends. Our life as truckers, it's not easy. Long hours, tight deadlines, stringent compliances. I always hoped technology could help improve my efficiency and my bottom line. For my small fleet, I tried the top providers in the industry, one after another. Keep Trucking, Samsara, Geotab. I was never happy with their service and their complex technology. One day, a friend introduced me to ELD Mandate. These guys are the real deal. Their technology is top of the line and very simple for all my drivers. And their 24/7 support and dedicated account managers are always eager to help. I'm using ELD, rugged tablet, ADAS Dashcams, and I've just started using their innovative hidden GPS trackers for all my trailers. I'm saving over 50% on cost by switching to ELD Mandate, and now I can run my business more efficiently than ever before. It's been over 3 years now that I started using ELD Mandate, and I've just renewed my contract for another 3 years.
Hey, Jose.
Hey.
Thanks so much for your kind words. It's clients like you and over 10,000 fleet owners who have made us the highest rated ELD service provider. We at ELD Mandate have an in-house, top-class engineering team that continues to improve the experience for trucking companies. In fact, we've just invented 2 more products that will revolutionize the trucking industry by preventing trailer and cargo theft. The team at one of our largest trucking companies, J.B. Hunt, very grateful to say, has been super impressed with our technology and capabilities. Please go check out their testimonial on our website at www.eldmandate.biz. Jose, I was wondering if your drivers hardwire our ELD with this beautiful and customized 10.1-inch 4G LTE rugged tablet.
Definitely, Joe.
You know, our ELDs are among the very few that have both full Bluetooth capability or hardwiring capability at no extra cost.
Yeah, we use both forms of connections, depending on the convenience of the driver. This has really made their lives much easier.
Delighted to hear it. You know, they also get this heavy mount and all the accessories you see here. Also, we offer a powerful and small form factor ELD that connects directly to the diagnostics port of your truck. And here is our winner. A fully AI-based dashcam. ADAS and DMS help prevent accidents. It also comes with side cameras that give you peace of mind and help reduce your insurance cost. This one is a no-brainer. And this is my favorite, a discrete GPS tracking device we call TLT, Tail Light Tracker, that has near real-time GPS tracking and many more features. It's very easy to install, as simple as changing a light bulb.
Joe, would you mind giving us an idea how you price your products to my friends? I know you guys are one of the few honest companies that publish prices on your website.
Absolutely. Let me tell our friends different options that we offer based on various business requirements. Our 3-year contract pricing gives the highest amount of savings to our clients. Besides this, we also have an annual prepay or month-to-month plans. We're currently running a special, a fully loaded, full-feature ELD with a dashcam at $38 per truck per month. I believe nobody has such a great offer. Again, visit our website, www.eldmandate.biz, for all the combinations and packages of these 3 options.
Hey, Joe.
Satinder, let me get you a chair.
Thank you. Alison, I saw you guys are piloting trailer threat prevention devices at JB Hunt.
Yes.
I would be super interested in getting those for all my 600 trailers.
Fantastic. I'll be happy to help you with that.
Hi, Jose. How is it going?
Very well. You know, I should really thank you for hooking me up with ELD Mandate 3 years ago. These guys have really saved me a lot of money, and I'm pretty happy with their technology and service.
You bet, Jose. My fleet of 80 trucks and 300 trailers runs on the technology provided by ELD Mandate. They thoroughly understand our business and implement good technology to address all our problems with easy and effective solutions.
You know, thank you so much, Satinder. It's clients like you that give us folks at ELD Mandate motivated. Guys, we keep everything very simple and easy. Please do me a favor and click on the link to learn more about any of our products or call 1-800-406-0366 and speak with our consultants. We guarantee the quality of our products and services. Thank you for watching.